Hi everybody! Now, if you still want to get into the best possible shape right there at home, needing no gym membership, eating boring diet foods, or taking pills and shakes, then today's video is for you, because today we're launching my latest and brand new 21-day express fat loss challenge. Hey everybody, how you doing? Peter Carvell here. Now, today we're launching my brand new 21-day express fat loss challenge 2.0. Over the last couple of years, this has been our #1 selling home fitness products, and now it's been updated with brand new workouts, a more effective eating plan, and many other things to make sure you can get the best possible results over the next 21 days. Now, I don't want to waste your time in this video talking about everything that you're gonna get. So if you are interested, then pop over to SixPackFactory.com/express. There you can read about everything that you will get when you come and join us today, including 3 exclusive bonus products and a $40 discount coupon that's only available for the next 3 days during the launch of the brand new Express Challenge. But for those people who know nothing about it, this is a 21-day version of our legendary 6-week six-pack challenge, and it's been designed and fine-tuned to help you get great results in just 3 weeks right there at home. And it comes with everything: your complete follow-along home workout videos, a brand new eating plan that works in synergy with the workouts. You get daily program pages, daily email support, everything as you get with all of my challenges, to make sure no stone has been left unturned, to give you everything you need to get into amazing shape right there at home. So once again, if you want to come join us and take advantage of the extra bonus products and a massive discount during this launch period, just pop over to SixPackFactory.com/express. I'll see you guys on the inside. Bye-bye.